First time trying the solution, but we're gonna give it a go. There's only water in here. It is the Clorox wipe container that I just finished using, so I'm just gonna use that. I'm gonna put some OxiClean. I would say that's a good half a scoop. Some Windex. And some alcohol. A little bit more OxiClean. I heard this is really good. So I guess maybe like 1 scoop of OxiClean that I used total. So I'm gonna let that sit. I have the Shop-vacs ready. Then we're gonna get to work. I moved the seat up and guess what I found? It has the sub. I don't know if it's Subaru. Yeah, it's bolted on. It says Subaru subwoofer speaker. So I moved the seat all the way forward so I could clean up the most room I can. I got the solution in here that I just made. Let's scrub it. And then we're gonna Shop-vac dry it. Let's try this. Okay, I'm done with the cleanup. I gave it 2 pretty good passes. I didn't get these corners here, which I can, but I just focused on the main squares where the carpet is. Overall, not bad. I think it worked pretty well. It's not perfect, but it's cheaper than replacing the whole carpet, which I was gonna do anyways. So we'll see how it holds up.